What is up, RC enthusiasts? Today, I've got for you another WPL that I decided to purchase. I decided to try this website called ChinaBrands.com. No affiliation with them whatsoever, never ordered anything from this website, but I found a WPL B24 in blue and white in a kit form for $25 shipped to my door at this spot. So I decided, hey, let's give it a try. Let's see how long it takes to get here. And bam! It was pretty quick, guys. Not as long as I thought it would take. So let's open this up and let's see how well of a packaging they did. Now obviously it is packed pretty nicely here. So I'll go ahead and open her up for you guys and see what it looks inside. So this is my first B24 kit. The other B24 I have is the B24zh. You've seen that one. It's a military truck that has the communications rear end on it. That one's the upgraded version, so that one's got the full metal ring and pinion gears and the axles and proportional steering, and that one was an RTR. So this is my first kit of that one. Here you go. Let's open this sucker up. So I decided this time I'm going to get this truck in that blue and white color, just to have a different colored truck. I don't have any other thing but military trucks, really. So this is going to be my first regular truck. Truck. How many times can you say truck? And there she is. Interior bumper. Ooh, we get an extra steering wheel. We get an extra spotlight, an extra handle for something. That's cool. And here's the blue. Oh look, it already has a steering wheel in it, interior already in it. It's already got a spotlight already in it, so I got spares of all that. That's pretty neat. No windows as usual, I'm gonna have to make myself some of those. So that was a pretty cool find right there. I get some spare scale parts. And here it looks like I got the tire carrier, the grill, the gas tanks, and some other part I don't know what it is. Figure that out. And here we are. The stuff we all hate the most. Well, look at this. It showed on the picture when I went on ChinaBrands.com that the ring and pinion were both plastic. But in the kit I received, the ring gear is plastic, but the pinions are steel. They're that brass colored one, so yes, I like that part. So far, so good. WPL. You guys are so random with the way you pack your stuff. Sometimes you come up with spare parts. Sometimes you get a fully assembled cab with spare interior and stuff. I'm not complaining. It is what it is. Servo tray, motor tray, and chassis assembly mounts. The blue cab. And the battery tray. That's cool. Got that. This is the kit. So I do have the really soft tires. Got some blue rims. Don't have any of those, so I decided to try that out too. And here you got your servo, your gearbox and transmission, which seems to be the newer version. Check that out. Usually when it comes in this cream color, it's usually the newer gears, but then again, if you watch my other video, I've had it come in both colors and still be the newer and the older style gear. So you got a servo mount, you have lights, and they even include the resistor for the lights, and the motor's also got its capacitor on it. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like there's 4 leaf springs in here only. 4, 5. So you get 1 spare leaf spring. Should be good. Since I do the leaf spring mods on this thing, and it should be reliable. And your chassis, shiny chassis rails. I'm going to paint black, of course. So yeah, the next time you're going to see this rig, it's going to be fully assembled. Just wanted to show you guys my purchase from ChinaBrands.com, a website I've never ordered from, and I am very pleased to say that I received my truck in a very timely manner. It's faster than I expected. Actually, I expected them to get here in a month or so. So surprised that it's here now. And so far, everything looks like a pretty decent kit. Looks like things have been upgraded. Looks like I even received some spare parts. Yeah, there you go, guys. More stuff to build. Who doesn't want to build? You guys have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Now go run that RC. Oh man, I wonder what it's gonna look like when it's done.